Taking you on an entirely new journey, the journey of mathematics, the journey where learning mathematics is fun. This episode is specially for all those who find mathematics tough, who always say mathematics is boring. No friends, you are wrong. Mathematics is not boring. If it is conducted in a way where it can be made interesting, where it can be made fun, where it can be made to look like a play. We should not forget that in the early youthfulness, every one of us likes playing. And while playing, we learn many things. Why not make mathematics such a journey that it is learned while playing? So it is that journey we have been going for years and years now, and this is the mathematics episode of 2026. With me, I have the junior level finalists. The journey started, as you know, on 22nd December. A series of written examinations was held, and now we are ready among these top 12 to have the winner today. We will have the champion of the junior mathematics quiz for the year 2026 today. And I can assure you one thing, before we have that champion, before we declare the name of the champion, these mathematicians, these mathematics ke khiladi will leave no stone unturned to entertain you as well as acknowledge you with some new spirit of mathematics inside each one of us. All those who are sitting in this hall will be amused with the skills they have, with the tricks they will be using in calculating all those sums which require at least 2 to 3 minutes. They will be calculating all those things within 50 seconds, and that makes it interesting. So, on the scoreboard, you can see already some marks are reflected. Those marks have been given to them a ratio from their written examinations. Right? So, presently, they are almost on equal footing, yet Aditya with 6 points is leading the table. The first round will be the revelation round, the second round will be the rapid fire round, and the third round will be the buzzer round. These 3 rounds will decide the champion today, but you see the number is 12 now. After this round, after 20 questions, you will find 5 of them not in this squad. That means 2 of them will be leading us halfway the journey of the first round, that is after 10 questions. After 10 questions, we will be giving you the scores, and the lowest placed 2 will leave us. Then again after 10 questions, the lowest placed 3 will leave us. Then of course we will start the rapid fire round. For that round we will have only 7 of them. And after that round, again 3 will leave us. Right? So, each one of you ready? How is the feeling? You are the finalists. Have that smile going. Right? And 50 seconds. If you can solve my question within 50 seconds, it will fetch you 5 marks. Mind you, there is no negative marking. The first question. The first question on your screen. Find 3 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. You have to answer within 50 seconds. Mind you, time and tide wait for none. Therefore, always respect time. It is all about being fast and accurate. Already 35 seconds are over. Now we are left with only 9 seconds. Time up. Well, as you can see on the screen, first you will have to equalize the denominators, and after equalizing the denominator you can see that you get 8 upon 12 and 9 upon 12. Then you again multiply it with 3 plus 1, that is n plus 1, that is 4. And multiply by 4 you get 32 upon 48 and 36 upon 48. Now you can find 3 rational numbers between these rational numbers, and the required rational numbers are 33 upon 48, 34 upon 48 and 35 upon 48. If you leave it here, we will give you full marks. If you can further simplify, it's still even better. So, only 2 got it fully correct, 9 got it partially correct, and Ajay, a bad opening for you. Doesn't matter, sometimes even Abhishek gets out for 0, but that doesn't mean that Abhishek is not a match winner. Ajay, you are a match winner and you should show it in the next round. Ready? For the second question. The second question on your screen. By what rational number should we multiply minus 15 upon 36 to get minus 5 upon 7? It's all about being fast and accurate. Otherwise, everybody can do it. The key lies in being fast and accurate, respecting the time and still being accurate. That's what a mathematician should be. Already 25 seconds over. We are left with only 10 seconds. Respect time. Well, the screen is loaded with your solution, and minus 5 upon 7 is to be divided by minus 15 upon 56, and you get the answer 8 upon 3. So 8 upon 3 is the required number by which it should be divided to get minus 5 upon 7. 5 of them got it correct, but the remaining 7 don't get any marks. It is high time, although it is only in the second round. There is a lot of time left, but you should pull up your socks now. Question number 3. Well, question number 3 on your screen. Evaluate 3 upon 8 raised to the power minus 2 multiplied by 4 upon 5 raised to the power minus 3. 50 seconds. Already 10 seconds over. Mathematics is all about being quick and accurate. Can you be faster than the seniors? That is to be seen. Only 10 seconds are left now. Time up. Stop writing. When the first step, what we did is to make the powers positive. We took the reciprocals and then, of course, solving. We get the solution to 125 upon 9. And I'm delighted to say this time 6 of them got it correct. One got it partially correct. Others need to pull up their socks. So after 3 rounds, we are still left with 17. But for the first 2 to make their exit, we are left with only 7. Question number 4. Question number 4 on your screen. If 5 raised to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 is equal to 125, find the value of x. You should be quick enough to do it within the limit. Already 15 seconds over. समय और ज्वार कभी किसी का इंतजार नहीं करते। समय की कदर करो और समय आने पर समय आपका समय सही कर देगा। Left with only 10 seconds. Well, the solution is on your screen. As you can see that you squared for 25 you have written 5 square, for 125 you have written 5 cube, and when you solve the powers you get x is equal to 2 and 4 got it perfectly on dot and 4 got it partially correct, right? So that way we have already completed 4 rounds, and here is question number 5. Question number 5 on your screen. Write 0.00000463 in standard form and 0.000367 into 10 raised to the power 4 in usual form. You need to attempt both the parts within 50 seconds. In case you are able to attempt only one, you will get only 2.5. For both the parts, you will get 5. So, in one go, you have to shoot 2 birds. We are left with only 15 seconds. Be cautious about utilization of your time. Time passing. Well, the solution is on your screen. The standard form of 0.00000463 is 4.63 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 and the usual form of 0.000367 into 10 raised to the power 4 is 3.67. Only one of the contenders got it correct. Sometimes it happens. Although it was, to my mind, it was the easiest one, yet everyone committed some mistake or the other. 6 of them got it partially correct, and hold your breath. It's getting tougher and tougher. दिल थाम के बैठिए और एक नजर डालते हैं स्कोरबोर्ड पे. Let's have a glance on the scoreboard. Raghav is leading the table with 23. Up 22.5. Ankit 21.5. Azhar 10. Sachin 13.5. Ajay 8.5. Aryan 4.5. Aditya 8. Bhavna 11. Dhruvi 16. Diya 17.5. And Dipti 14. As you know, after 10 rounds, 2 will leave the stage. Therefore, I would like to caution Aditya, Aryan, Ajay and Azhar. They are in real danger of missing it out. And once you miss the bus, it's gone. You can't catch it again. Therefore, time to pull up your socks. You're still left with 5 rounds. Question number 6. 6 on your screen. The question is, without adding, find the sum of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. That is all odd numbers right from 1 to 17. You have to find the sum without adding them. And already 15 seconds over. Got to be fast as well as accurate. You should not be missing the bus. The bus is about to reach its first stop. We are left with only 15 seconds now. Come on, time and tide, need for none. Therefore, we should always respect the time. Stop. See, 1 to 17, there are 9 odd numbers which are to be added, and 9 square is 81. Therefore, the sum of these numbers is 81. And I am delighted to tell you that 5 of them got it absolutely correct. And 3 got it absolutely correct. Good morning, Shabazz. Question number 7. Question number 7 on your screen. Find the least number of 4 digits which is perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. Time up. The solution is on your screen. The least 4-digit number is 1000. And as we all know that 1000 is not a perfect square. We try to find out step by step and we see that we fall short, right? And the required number has to be at least 4 digits. Therefore, you cannot subtract the remainder. What we do is, see, 1000 is greater than the square of 31, but it is smaller than the square of 32, right? So that way, from the square of 32, we subtract 1000 and we get 24. 24 is the number that is to be added to 1000 so that it becomes a perfect square. Now you get the perfect square, that is 1024. Even if you did it up to here, you are perfectly eligible to get 4 marks. But you are also told to find the square of the number so obtained, and the square of the number is, square root of the number is 32, right? So in case you have also find out the square root, you get full 5 marks. Only one got it perfectly correct and 4 got it partially correct. You need to work a bit faster and logically. We go for question number 8. On your screen is question number 8. Which of the following is a Pythagorean triplet? A. 2, 3, 5. B. 5, 7, 9. C. 6, 9, 11. And D. 8, 15, 17. The easiest of them all. 15 seconds over. Ten seconds left. On your screen, as you can focus on option D, square of 8 is 64, square of 15 is 225. When you add these, you get 289, and square is 17 is 289. Therefore, 8, 15 and 17 are Pythagorean triplets. Option D is correct. 4 of them get it absolutely correct. 2 get partially correct. Now, question number 9. Be calm, composed and collected. Time up. Well, the correct solution is on your screen and the correct answer is minus 42, as you can see. So, this was question number 9. There is one more question left, and after that 2 of them will go out. This is question number 10. Question number 10 on your screen. If x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5, find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. A slightly tricky one, but easiest one. If you know the identity, the job is half done for you. 20 seconds already gone. You're left with only 25 seconds now. Ten seconds. The solution is on your screen, and the correct solution is, you get the answer, x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 23. Each one of you must have used the identity x plus 1 upon x whole square, right? So 4 get perfectly correct, 4 get it partially correct. Nice, good going. And with this we have completed 10 rounds of the regulation round, and after 10 rounds the leader is Harsh with 45 marks. Ankit is still second with 37. Priya 31. Kirti 30. Ruby 26. Raghav 23. Aditya 23. Bhavna 23. Sachin is at 27. And Ajay 4.5, Aryan 4.5, Azhar 10. At this point of time, there are 2 contenders who will have to leave us. I am sorry to say, Aryan, you will have to make way. Doesn't matter, even reaching this stage is no mean achievement. But thank you for entertaining each one of us. You can take your seat in the audience. Ajar, you rushed in the morning, you were late by 5 minutes, and yet you fought for it. That's the main spirit. But you will have to leave us at this point of time. Congratulations for being in the finals and for entertaining us. Thank you. Now please take your seat in the audience. So we are left with only 10 contenders now. With these 10, we will proceed for the next 10 rounds. But before that, a small break, and I'll be soon with you again. Please don't go anywhere. I'll be soon be back. So, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, the fight is getting tougher and tougher. But as they say, when it gets tough, the toughest get going. And it is time for the toughest to get going. Question number 11. Well, question number 11 on your screen, find the value of 198 into 198 minus 102 into 102 whole divided by 96. Perhaps the easiest one. Each one of you should be scoring full. But of course, you will have to be cautious about utilizing each second. Already 25 seconds over. You're left with only 25. You're left with 10 seconds only. When the solution is on the screen, a square minus b square identity is to be used, and as you can see, it was perhaps the easiest one. I do not know why. Only 1 got it correct and 4 got it partially correct. So, contenders, it is high time you be calm, composed. I know time pressurizes everyone, but do not be under pressure. Now, question number 12. The question is on your screen. Factorize x square minus ax minus bx plus ab. left with only 30 seconds. Got to be precise as well as fast. Left with only 15 seconds. The timekeeper is very strict about the time. When the solution is on your screen, as you can see, x minus a into x minus b. These are the two factors of the given polynomial. Only 5 of them get it absolutely correct. Congratulations, others need to pull up. This is high time. Now, question number 13. Question number 13 is on your screen. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 12. If the new number formed by reversing the digits is greater than the original number by 54, find the original number. 50 seconds. You got to be precise and fast. Solution is on your screen, but the given solution on the screen is with the help of linear equation in two variables. That is, we have taken the digit at one's place to be a and the digit at tens place to be b. Right? You can also do it by taking the linear equation in one variable. That is, if you take the unit place digit as x, then the other digit can be taken as 12 minus x, and then the number formed 10 into 12 minus x plus x, and then you can reverse them, and thereby you can form the equation and solve. Right? Both the ways the solution will be same. In this case, the contenders who got it perfectly correct were only 2, and nobody got it partially correct. So this was the solution of question number 13. Time to proceed for question number 14. Question number 14 on your screen. A number is increased by 20% and then decreased by 20%. Find the net increase or decrease percent. Very interesting one and often found even in competitive exams. Already 15 seconds over. Left with only 20 seconds now. Stop solution is on the screen. You can watch carefully. However, the contenders, I'm sorry to say, none of you got it correct. It was a slightly tricky one, I know, but I expected at least the top three to do it. Doesn't matter. This was 14 and now proceeding for question number 15. Question number 15 on the screen for you. If the cost price of 10 greeting cards is equal to the selling price of 8 greeting cards, find the gain or loss percent. Again a tricky one. You should be cautious while solving it. Ten seconds over. 20 seconds over. Seconds over, we are left with only 20 seconds now. Left with only 10 seconds. Well, we have got the solution on the screen for you. 25% is the correct answer. 5 of them got it absolutely correct and 1 got it partially correct. So congratulations for all those who hit the bull's eye and for all those who couldn't hit it even nearby. There is always next chance. And the next question is question number 16 on your screen. Find the compound interest on rupees 6,400 for 2 years, compounded annually at 7.5% per annum. You've got to be fast and accurate. Compound interest. Even if someone of you finds out amount, you'll get 4 marks. And if you can calculate within the stipulated time, the interest, then full marks. Well, 8 of them got it partially correct. Nice, good going. And we go for question number 17. Question number 17 on your screen. If 45 men can do a piece of work in 49 days, in how many days will 35 men do it? Comparatively easier one. The last 4-5 rounds have been really tough. This is comparatively easier one. Come on, brave mathematicians. Get it correct within the stipulated time and get full marks. You have to value time. Time and diet. Very important things in life. It's not a cakewalk. It's not like going to Delhi and having dawat. No, it's more than that. 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, we have the solution for you on the screen. The correct answer is 63 and 5 of them got it correct. And mind you, hold your breath. Now the game is changing. The scoreboard is completely changed. It's getting tougher and tougher. Dia for a change is second now. 43.5. Pankaj in third position, 43. And fourth position is then combined by Bhavna and Sachin. Others are also not far behind. Raghav 35.5, Ajay 25.5, Aditya 33.5, Dipti 32. Nice, good going. And we should not forget, after 3 questions, 3 of them will have to leave us. It's a tough race. It's like the Olympics. 3 of them will miss by just few centimeters. So it's catching each other. It's all about catching each other. Things are looking really bright for them. When things get tougher, the toughest get going, and the toughest should hold their breath, be calm, be composed, be collected, and do the solutions within the stipulated time. Question number 18. The timekeeper is keeping me on toes. That is the beauty about time and time master. The question 18 on your screen. A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days, while B alone can finish it in 30 days. In how many days can A alone finish the work? Already 5 seconds. 10 seconds over. Half time over. Now you're left with only 20 seconds. You got to be faster as well as correct. Five seconds left to be precise. 3, 2, 1. Well, the solution is on the screen for you. A alone can finish the work in 20 days. 2 of them got it absolutely correct, and 6 of them, 8 of them got it partially correct. Good going, Shabas. Question number 19. There is a figure on the screen. Look at the given figure and find x plus y plus z. Look at the figure given on the screen and find x plus y plus z. Half of the time is over. You are left with just 15 seconds now. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, the solution is on the screen for you. The sum of x plus y plus z is 360, and 9 of them got it partially correct. Fantastic. Good going. This will be the question number 20 of regulation round. After this, 3 will have to leave us. Question number 20 for you. Question number 20 on your screen. Find the volume and total surface area of a cuboid which is 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3.5 meter high. Volume and total surface area. 5 seconds already over. Volume and total surface area. Half of the time is over, half of the time is left. What a quiz it has been. Oh, mind-boggling. And it's been really tough. Left with only 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, the solution is on the screen for you. However, our mathematics teacher has solved 3 things: volume, total surface area, as well as lateral surface. I asked you only 2 things: volume and total surface area. Volume is 168 and total surface area is 194 meter square. Right? So, 8 of them got it partially correct. And time to have a glance on the scoreboard. Harsh is still the leader with 73.5. क्या प्रदर्शन है, what a beauty it is. Then comes Raghav 41.5 and Sachin of course 44.5 and Bhavna 43. 34 and Aditya 41, Diya 48. I have already explained. Ajay is 29. We reach a juncture where 3 of them will have to leave us. It's been a great game of mathematics, but at some stage or the other, all good things end. कोई चीज कितनी भी सुंदर हो दोस्तों, किसी न किसी समय उसका भी अंत होता है। आपकी रेस बहुत ही सुंदर थी। You fought like a brave mathematician. You fought like the Indian soldiers in Kargil. You were accurate as well as fast, but here we will have to leave 3 of you out. Partings are always sad. जुदाई हमेशा दुखदाई होती है, और जब हम आप 3 को जुदा कर रहे हैं तो निश्चित रूप से हमें दुख हो रहा है। We are really pained to say goodbye to Ajay. It's been entertaining, it's been knowledgeable. Thank you for making us joy over your mathematics right. Thank you. Dhruvi, you made a big beginning, but the end was not so good. At some time or the other, all good things end, and so is your journey, no exception. Thank you for enriching our knowledge. Thank you. It is Dipti. What a steady flight it was. It was like a jet cruising on a steady flight. But time has come when we will have to part on it. Thank you for being so entertaining and so knowledgeable. You can take your proceed further for the rapid fire round. We are starting the rapid fire round. For the rapid fire round, I'll ask them 7 questions in 90 seconds. And if they ask all correct, if they answer all correct, they can score 21 marks. And that will be a big boost to their score. So, each one of you ready? The first one will be Harsh. Harsh, 90 seconds, 7 questions, 21 marks can be grabbed, and you can still do better, although you are still the best. Even you can improve further. Ready? The timekeeper is ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Harsh, your time starts now. In which of the following quadrants does the point P minus 4, 1 lie? Second quadrant, first quadrant.
Second quadrant.
Correct. For a cuboid of length L, breadth D and height H, then the diagonal of the cuboid is L square plus B square plus H square whole square root. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Right. Area of circle is
Pi r square.
correct. Every rhombus is a kite. True or false?
True.
Correct. A bat is bought for rupees 120 and sold for 105. The loss percent is 14 whole 1 upon 5% or 12 whole 1 upon 2%.
12 over 1 upon 2.
Correct. A plus B whole cube is equal to
A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube.
correct. X square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to, you have to factorize, x square plus 8x plus 16. Absolutely correct. And you are all 21 added to 20 takes you to 94.5. This is the highest so far. Thank you for being so entertaining. You are Abhishek Sharma of our mathematics quiz. So, Ankit, 7 questions, and you can do another Abhishek Sharma or Ishan Kishan hitting all the sixes. 7 multiplied by 3 can fetch you 21 marks. Ready? Timekeeper is ready? So, your time starts now. In which of the following quadrants does the point P 4, 3 lie? Third quadrant, first quadrant. Is not correct. For a cube of side A, then the volume of cube is 4a square. Agree or disagree? For a cube of side A, the volume of cube is 4a square.
Agree.
Is not correct. Area of equilateral triangle is
Root 3 upon 4a square.
correct. Every square is a rhombus. True or false?
No. False.
Is not correct. Find the gain or loss percent if cost price is 675, selling price is 630. Loss 6 whole 2 upon 3% or gain 6 whole 2 upon 3%. Is it loss 6 whole 2 upon 3% or gain 6 whole 2 upon 3%? Is it loss 6 whole 2 upon 3% or gain 6 whole 2 upon 3%?
Loss 6 over.
Correct. X plus y into x plus y is equal to
X square plus 1 plus x4. Y square.
is not correct. So You got 2 correct. 3 to just 6 added to your tally takes you to 56. You will have to wait and see how far it takes you. Well, dear, you can have a look on the scoreboard. Your fair chance to be at second. You can finish up as the runners up. Although we are still left with one more round after this, but you at least after this round you can be second. You got a fair chance. Ready? 7 questions, 90 seconds, 21 marks, and timekeeper.
Yes.
Your time starts now. In which of the following quadrants does the point 2 minus 3 lie? Third or fourth?
Fourth.
Correct. For a cuboid of length L, breadth B, and height h, the lateral surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Is not correct. Area of a trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Is not correct. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. True or false?
True.
Correct. Rajan buys a toy for rupees 75 and sells it for rupees 100. His gain percent is 37 whole 1 upon 2% or 33 whole 1 upon 3%.
So repeat.
Rajan buys a toy for 75 and sells it for 100. His gain percent is 37 whole 1 upon 2% or 33 whole 1 upon 3%.
37.
Is not correct. A plus B into A minus B is equal to
A square minus B square.
correct. 81 minus 49 x square is equal to time up. 3 correct. 3 3 is a 9. 9 added to your tally takes you to 57. That takes you to second position right now. 7 questions, 21 marks, 90 seconds. Ready? Timekeeper is ready. Your time starts now. In which of the following quadrants does point P 3 6 lie? Third or first?
First.
Correct. For a cuboid of length L, breadth B, height h, the volume of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Agree or disagree? Not correct. Area of a triangle is half into base into height. True or false?
True.
Correct. The diagonal of a parallelogram are equal. True or false?
True.
Not correct. On selling 100 pens, a man gains the selling price of 20 pens. The gain percent is A 25%, B 15%.
25%.
Correct. A plus B whole square is equal to
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
correct. X square minus 36 is equal to factorize.
X square minus 2.
Time, you must respect. They are very powerful. Time up.
4 correct.
It is x plus 6 into x minus 6. You get 4 correct. 4 3s are 12. 12 added to your tally takes you to 56.5. It's getting really tougher. Difference of just 0.5 between these three. Among these three, I'm sorry to say. Bhavna, there's a close fight for the second position, and you can also be one of them. If you wish to, you can have a glance on the scoreboard. So how confident are you? Butterflies in the stomach? Bound to be. But they will fly off as this 90-second time starts, right? So, Babu, your time starts now. In which of the following quadrants does the point -7, -1 lie? Third or first?
Third.
Correct. For a cuboid of length L, breadth B, height H, the total surface area of the cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Agree or disagree?
Disagree.
No. Area of a parallelogram is
Pass.
the diagonals of a rectangle are perpendicular to each other. True or false?
True.
Correct. A man sells a bat for rupees 100, gaining rupees 20. His gain percent is 20% or 25%.
20%.
Is not correct. A minus B whole square is equal to?
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
Correct. 4a square minus 9 is equal to factorize.
Pass.
This is question number 7. Okay, I'll come back to the one you left. Area of a parallelogram is area of a parallelogram.
2 into L plus b.
No, it is based into right. Parallelogram it is. Still time left. You can come back to that question. Time out.
3 correct.
3 correct. 3 3 is a 9. 9 added to the tally takes you to 52. 52 is also a good score. It is the same one I consider. Well, 7 questions, 21 marks to be scored. Ready? So your time starts now. In which of the following quadrant does point P 9, 6 lie? Third or first?
First.
Correct. For a cube of side A, the lateral surface area of cube is 4a square. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Correct. Circumference of the circle is
By R.
correct. A pentagon has 5 diagonals. True or false?
True.
Correct. Find the gain or loss percent if cost price is 620, SP is 730, A loss 15%, B gain 15%.
Loss 15%.
Is not correct. A minus B whole cube is
A cube minus B, like A cube minus B cube minus C cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square.
correct. X square plus 14x plus 49 is equal to, factorize. X square plus 14x plus 49 is equal to. This is the last question. Time is left. You can take time. You have to factorize x squared plus 14x plus 49. Time up.
5 is correct.
5 correct. 5 3s are 15. 15 added to the tally takes you to 56 by 5. Aditya, it has been really tough going for each one of you. Such a fight. There is only 0.5 difference amongst 4 to 5 contenders. So, you can have a glance on the scoreboard. You can be sure how many you need to score. And I'm sure if you can get 6 or 7 correct, you'll be right there. So, Aditya, confident? Ready? Your time starts now. In which of the following quadrants does the point -2, 5 lie? Third or second?
Second.
Correct. For a cube of side A, the diagonal of cube is 6a square.
Pass.
Area of semicircle is
Area of semicircle. Pi r upon 2.
not correct. The diagonal of a parallelogram are equal. True or false?
False.
Correct. Find the gain or loss percent if cost price is 340 rupees, selling price is 372.60, loss 8%, gain 8%.
Repeat.
Cost price 345, selling price 372.60, loss 8%, gain 8%.
Pass.
X plus A into x minus B is equal to
X plus A. X. Pass.
4x square. 2 correct. 2 3 just 6. 6 adding to your tally takes you to 47. Not so good, but we are still left with one more round. Again, we are on the stage when we will have to say goodbye to Bhavna and Aditya. You have been extremely good so far, but there comes a stage when even a beautiful journey has to end, and this is the time when your journey ends. Thank you for entertaining each one of us. Thank you for entertaining each one of us. Now I have got 4 to my right and only 1 to my left. So I would like you to decide. Now we have got 3 and 2. Right? There will be 2 rounds of the buzzer round. After these 2 rounds, again one will have to leave. This is a buzzer round. For the buzzer round, the contenders will be given balls in their hands. The contender throwing the ball first will be given an opportunity to answer my question. In case your answer is correct, you will get 5 marks. In case your answer is wrong, this is a negative marking round. 3 marks will be reduced from your tally. So you want to be careful. Only 2 rounds, and after that, somebody will have to go out. Right? So please give them balls in their hands. So, after I have finished my reading, you can take 30 seconds. Within 30 seconds, somebody will have to throw the ball. Then, within 10 seconds, you will have to answer. Right? My question to you is, if a number, when divided by 3, leaves the remainder 2, then it is a dash dash dash. If a number when divided by 3 leaves the remainder by 2, then it is a dash dash dash. It is Diya. I'm afraid you lose 3. It is the answer should have been not a perfect square. A number when divided by 3 leaves the remainder 2, then it is not a perfect square. Right? Ready? We are left with only ready? A number and odd number of zeros is never dash dash dash. A number ending it
Perfect square.
is never a perfect square. Is absolutely correct. Wonderful, Harsh. So that way we have completed these two rounds. After these two rounds, one of the contenders will have to go out. I'm sorry, Priya. It is you who make the exit now. Had you not thrown the ball, it would have been Ankit making the exit. Sometimes hurry makes curry, and that was the case with you. Thank you for entertaining. Thank you for keeping us busy. Thank you. Well, we are starting the supervisor round. During this round, you can opt to go normal, you can double the impact, or you can reduce the impact. For a contender going normal, the correct answer will fetch 10 because it is supervisor round. If you wish to reduce the impact, it will fetch you 5. And if you wish to double the impact, it will fetch you 20. So here is the time when you can super pass it. Right? After this round, one will have to make exit and his position will be fourth. Fourth position will be decided after this round, and the question is, well, I'll come to you one by one. Raghav, you want to have the impact double or half or normal? Normal. How about you? Normal. How about you? Double the impact. Very brave to say that. Normal. Okay, there is only one brave boy. Normal. Ankit is the only one who wants to double the impact. In case you throw an answer, it will be double, right? But the reduction will also be double in case it is wrong. And the question is, the cube of an even natural number is? Yes?
Always even.
Always even is right. Doubling well, so Ankit is not only out of danger, but all of a sudden he has jumped to second position, and not only that, this time if he again gets it correct, he will be very close to being the champion. From here he can be the champion. This is the marvelous thing about this competition. But here somebody will have to make exit also. And the contender, oh, for the exit also there is a tie. And we will have to break the tie. So, for the exit, there is a tie between Raghav and Sachin. I will request Harsh and Ankit to take their seats in the audience. These are the two who will break the tie. And the question for tie breaking is, the cube of a number is that number raised to the power. Yes? 3, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Oh, God. This is marvelous. Raghav, this is the time when you will say goodbye to you. Getting fourth position is no big achievement. You are fourth for the year 2026 in the whole school. Nice, fantastic it is. Thank you. For this round, I would again ask you whether you would like to go normal or double the impact or half the impact. Normal. How about you? So you make it normal. How about you? Normal. So they have opted to go normal. So that means answer will be. And the question is a number ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8 is dash dash dash. It is such a. It is a perfect square is not correct. It is never a perfect square. So you lose 5 and after losing 5, after this round, you are at the third position, Sachin, and this gives you the trophy for the second runners-up. Congratulations, Sachin. Quite simple. This round will give us the champion for the junior level for the year 2026. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. You are going to get the champion after this round, and you want to have the exact double or normal or half? Double. How about you? Half. Okay. You want to half it. Okay. Now the question is the parallel sides of a trapezium measure 14 and 18 and the distance between them is 9 centimeter. The area of the trapezium is
99 centimeters.
is not correct. So you lose 10. It is 144 centimeter square. But take a good chance. Congratulations. You are the first runners-up for the and please put your hands together for the new champion. Very soon we are going to have the presentation ceremony. But before that, I'll just go and come back. A small break. Please don't go anywhere. I'll soon be back. The second runners-up this year is, please join your hands together for something. Nice. This was so wonderful, Sachin. God bless you. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the new first runners-up, Ankit. This was really good on your part. Fantastic recovery made, and it was wonderful. God bless you, Ankit. God bless you. And now it is time to honor the champion. What a champion! It was like India winning the World Cup. in 1982. You did a Kapil Dev's feature. With this, I conclude this presentation ceremony. To all my audience, I would like to say you have been wonderful. To all those who could not win this time, I'll say your journey has been wonderful. There is always next time. And to all those who are watching us through this video, I'll say, after watching such a fantastic final of the seniors, I'm sure you will enjoy this one also. This is the grand finale of the junior mathematics. And if you like it, please share with your friends. Please subscribe if you haven't so far. And you should sit together with your friends, family members. Each one of you can enjoy together. Thank you. Keep sending your remarks. Thanks for being with us. Thank you.